back to Luxe Delight. Today we're gonna make Spinach, which is a Mediterranean appetizer. So let's get right into it. So first off, we're gonna need a bowl of spinach. Make sure to wash them because you don't know if they're gonna be dirty or not. We're gonna need some onion, some extra virgin olive oil, some garlic, but make sure it's mashed because, you know, I assure you, you'll get more flavor that way. Quarter of a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of dried cilantro, and then a little bit of black pepper. And to top it off, some fried onion and pomegranate. And finally, some fresh cilantro. So we started off by putting 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into our pot, and now we're gonna turn it on to about a medium heat. So first off, we're gonna slowly add the spinach into the pot because we don't want it to splash oil like it just did. So my mother is saying faster, so we shall go faster. Look at that sizzle. Just throw the rest of these. Okay. Now we grab this wooden shit and then, you know, move it a little bit, let it breathe. Now we're gonna be adding our seasoning. You know, just put it in there, and then maybe a little. Okay, and then put the rest in. Make sure to mix them. Let them spread out again. Each side of it. Next up, we're gonna add our garlic into the mix. To mix it so the garlic can get everywhere. And then we're gonna add the onions in. So we're gonna leave it now for like 5-10 minutes until the onions cook. And then after that, we'll put in the fresh cilantro and we'll be ready to serve it soon. So now that our spinach is cooked, we're gonna be adding our fresh cilantro into here. Okay, ignore that. And then we're gonna mix it up a little bit. And then we're going to be turning off the heat and just let it sit for a minute and it'll be ready to serve. So we're going to add the pomegranate first, give it a nice aesthetic look. And then we're gonna take our fried onions and give it a nice little, nice little line. And then we're gonna let it sit, cool down, because it's mainly a cold appetizer. But if you're really hungry, you know, you put it in the fridge. So yeah. And now we're ready to eat it. Approved by me. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment below. I'll be sure to read them all. Please leave comments. And then yeah, this has been Lex Delight, and thank you for watching.